Hi there tech lovers. So we are back with the Blender tutorial, and this tutorial is entirely for beginners. And in this tutorial I'll be using the studio that we created in our previous tutorial. I'll also put the link in the description box so you can access the tutorial. So what we'll do is this tutorial will be named the first render, and the beginners will actually learn how to make their first render without doing a lot of things, and I'll explain all the steps involved in this. So first of all, we'll be okay. So first of all, we'll go into the camera view and control A for location, apply location, rotation and scale, then shift A. In the mesh, you will be able to add a monkey mesh. So I'll be using a monkey mesh because this looks nice when it renders. So what I did was I rotated it in the x-axis RZ90 so that it comes into our camera frame nicely. Now what I'll do is add material to this. So this is the materials tab. Add a new material to this and we'll color this red or maybe greenish. Okay, so now that we have colored it greenish, we don't want the eyes to look green as well. So what we'll do is we'll add a material. We'll go into the edit mode for this monkey, and how to go into the edit mode is press the tab button. Now what we'll do is press A so that everything unselects. Now we'll press C to select only the eyes. Shift and C. Now what we'll do is we'll have a new material. We'll color it as white. White is fine. Assign it. Now you see the monkey eye colors are white. Now what we'll do is you can also play around with other parts of the monkey and color it according to you. But this is where I leave it. Now how to render it perfectly, what we'll do is we'll go into this render tab. Now you will see a lot of settings here. Now for the best and fastest computing, first of all go to this GPU compute so that it uses your GPU, the graphics card that is in your computer. Also the you can select the resolution as you want. I'm just keeping it the default one. You can make it for 4K, 8K, 2K, whatever you like. And this is the basic that you will require. Other things are then for animation purposes, which we do not require right now. And then I'll press the render button. Then you will see that slowly it will render. Now once you see this has been done, you press F3 and you can save it as an image file wherever you want. For example, save it as monkey. Save the image which has been saved. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial, and I'll bring more such beginner tutorials for you. Keep looking at our videos and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.